Welcome to SingaporeHome.io. Today, we will be discussing a new launch called JadeScape. This project resides in the heart of District 20 Bishan, right along Shunfu Road. JadeScape is a 99-year leasehold residential development. The entire site area works out to be about 398,000 square feet, consisting of units from 1 to 5 bedroom and penthouse units. This development is developed by one of the top builders in Singapore. QingJian Realty is an award-winning developer who has received respectable recognition in the Singapore real estate market. JadeScape is also designed by well-known architects and geomancy consultant. JadeScape is located along Marymount Road and adjacent to Shunfu Road. It is merely 3 minutes from Marymount MRT Station. The future Upper Thomson MRT Station is just a 7-minute walk from JadeScape. JadeScape can be easily accessible via 4 MRT lines: the Circle Line, North-South Line, Thomson East Coast Line and future Cross Island Line. The Upper Thomson MRT Station on the Thomson East Coast Line is 7-minute walk away. Residents can get to East Coast Park directly, and it is ideal for these who love travelling Johor Bahru, as Thomson East Coast Line will be connected to the Malaysian Rail. JadeScape is also well connected to the major expressways, CTE and PI, making the trip to and from the CBD a seamless one. The 21.5 km north-south corridor, now under construction, will significantly reduce travel time between the CBD and the northeast region. JadeScape is within walking distance to Shunfu Market and Food Centre for neighbourhood delicacies and wet market shopping. Other close-by amenities within a 5 minutes driving distance away are Thomson Plaza and Bishan Junction 8. Renowned schools such as AI Tong Primary School, Catholic High School, Raffles Institution, Raffles Girls School, and Eunoia Junior College. A number of nature parks located in close proximity, such as the Mac Ritchie Reservoir Park, Windsor Nature Park, Bishan Ang Mo Kio Park, and the upcoming Thomson Nature Park. So, let me show you some of the key facts. The site area is approximately 398,000 square feet. That makes it a pretty good mid-sized project. It features 7 residential blocks with a total of 1,206 units. The units are designed based on Asian garden theme. It offers the residents 29 different oriental layouts, ranging from 1 to 5 bedroom units. So, the 1 bedroom comes from 527 square feet all the way right up to a whooping 2,099 square feet for a 5-bedder. The project also offers huge penthouses that are as large as 4,198 square feet. So, you'll certainly be spoiled for choice when it comes to choosing the right configuration that best suit your needs. The project also comes with full facilities, all 98 of them to cater to your every desire for a pristine lifestyle. And it's all spread across the development. It also boasts its magnificent sky terraces, from level 11 to 13. There is even 6 retail units for your added convenience. So, JadeScape is really advanced with its smart technology. Everything now is controlled by the console as well as this High Life app. Residents can control their air cons, lights, curtain, washing machine and be secured with 360-degree home protection, all from their smartphone. Unlock the door using your smartphone or check on your guests through the CCTV and remotely let them in. All within an app. You can book condo facilities, search for services like maintenance, check out dining places, and even yoga or enrichment classes. Thank you for watching. For more information, please contact Ryan.
Hey, brother, come in. Hey.
How come you're here, man?
I'm here for lunch.
Paiseh lah, trouble you.
I will got trouble. Anyway, I'm on my way to work.
I tell you, I've been staying in Shunfu Estate for almost 30 years. I really love the estate. It's so convenient. You want to go shopping? You just take any mode of transport, you send you here.
Right.
You want to go makan? Oh, along Simin Road, along this one, Ang Mo Kio there, there's plenty of good food.
Uncle Vincent, as usual.
Okay. Hey, got coffee, Peter?
Thank you, thank you.
Oh, you look tired, huh?
Yeah, man, because I'm doing this project, JadeScape, just opposite the market with me.
Oh, JadeScape. Yeah.
Anyway, Uncle Vincent, you should buy one. So in future, next time you don't have to walk all the way back home.
Yeah.
By the way, if you need any renovation, this one can give you some ideas.
Oh, rest and relax, huh?
Yep.
Oh, okay.
Consider.
Yeah. Wow, the interior is very nice, huh? Yeah. This is my dream house, man. Wow.
Go and flip through. Now, if you want any unit, just let me know.
I think I can consider because still within this estate.
Yep.
Yeah, I'm used to this place.
Hey, 老哥，已經最冷了嘞，見你。喂，
好
喂，來，來，
哦，
過去啦。
來。